start. We'll start with you.
My name is Oluwaseyi Timileyin. I'm here today at the conference for artificial intelligence for everyone and for business. And we've been able to adhere strictly to understanding the basics of introduction to artificial intelligence, generative AI. And at the same time, we were able to understand how prompts are being generated for input on the AI database, and how we can also scale through by generating AI content and for monetizations. At the same time, we also hope before the conference or the workshop is completed, we also hope to understand the basic rudiments of artificial intelligence, and at the same time, get through the basics and also the core values and the core factors that are, connected together in the artificial intelligence world. And as the world is going global in terms of technology, we hope to get to follow the trends, at the same time to develop something more better to make Africa great, at the same time to ensure that productivity, scalability, and accessibility to artificial intelligence, and also its control. At the same time, we also hope to understand the deeper aspect of this AI for this event, and to ensure that we are actually equipped with the necessary knowledge to ensure that we actually didn't come here without getting the proper knowledge. Artificial intelligence is the future, and it's actually applicable in every sector: finance, technology, medical sector. Its application in education. It's actually very, very important, because in the year 2030, AI is actually going to take control of everything. You can see today we are able to see AI self-driving car. We are able to see various command phones, command buttons, and a lot of necessary things which are also being automated. And AI is actually the future, and its application in education is actually a very, very important thing that every individual actually needs to understand. For example, as the world is actually going digital and global, one of the things that I also ensure that we understood is the implementation of the AI in the student study, the books. You don't have to spend more money to buy textbooks. You can always get necessary things downloaded on your maybe a tablet, or like a software, like anything, like maybe a screen. You can always present. For example, most schools usually spend hundreds of thousands of money to buy textbooks. They actually don't need that, because by now, as the world is actually advancing, people actually get access to smartphones, and you can always get everything you actually want. Research project writing, content development, and business project development. You can always get everything you actually want. It actually reduces cost of business, and at the same time, it reduces cost of what actually people, what gives people issue, to establish their own personal business. So, for example, you can actually build a fully functional website just within 5 minutes with the use of an AI, which sometimes might actually take like a month or 2 months just by writing code and all. So, presently today, AI can actually generate a fully functional hypertext markup language and HTTP, create domain, do everything, and actually design and add effective color, and do everything standardly just by writing the right prompt. So one of the things I've also learned from this event is also understanding how to generate a completely functional prompt to input into the AI, and which is going to generate a very fantastic result, which you call the output, which is also very essential. So I believe that AI is the future, and its application in every sector is very essential. So most specifically, I believe, for example, now we have its application of artificial intelligence in medical practice, which leads to interventions of robotic equipment and robotic surgery and some other laparoscopic equipment, which is actually going to be very helpful for the future, because most patients don't actually need to get some open surgeries and get some hypertrophic cars and all. So we have a lot of technological advancement with the help of AI, which is actually going to improve people's outcome and people's growth, which is going to make the future better. And also understanding the control and the limitations of artificial intelligence in every sector is also very important to avoid having a disastrous future also. At the same time, as AI is actually solving problems, we must also understand its implication and to also ensure that the future is actually safe for everyone. But AI is the future.
So before I let you go, sir,